Did you know that the most common mistake that criminology students make is that they are not able to define the word criminology? That's right, and you heard me right. If makasugat ka og criminology student and then you would ask that student to define or ask what is criminology, some of them would just shake their heads and smile or laugh. And some of them would just say, I forgot or I don't know. We have not been taught that. However, as an educator, I really find this alarming because ang word nga criminology should be the most basic. It should serve as a foundation for criminology students because after all, our profession or our field is called criminology. So it's very important for us to know what it is. Therefore, for today's video, we will tackle on the definition of criminology. There are a lot of definition for the word criminology. However, for the sake of discussion and for review purposes, the word criminology is divided into three different aspects or in different senses. So we have the narrow sense, gipamubo nga definition. We have the legal sense, definition nga ato ang gibasi sa balaod. And the next one or the last one is the broad sense or the broader sense. Okay? First off, let's go to the narrow sense, ang mubo nga definition sa criminology. Based on nga definition, criminology is the study of crimes, criminals, and criminal behavior. Sa narrow sense, iyaharang giingon nga ang criminology ang gistudihan no daw kay ang krimen. Lain-lain nga klase sa krimen. Criminals, ang behavior, not exactly the behavior, but klase-klase sa criminal. Criminal behavior, what could be the reason, the motivation that drove that criminal in committing a crime? So that is the narrow sense, tulura, base sa kaninga definition. Ang criminology, ang gistudihan na daw kay ang krimen, ang kriminal ug ang ilahang behavior. In the legal sense, which is under Republic Act number 11131, also known as the Philippine Criminology Profession Act of 2018. Ang criminology daw kay usa ka scientific study of crimes, criminals, and victims. Ari sa tamag focus, scientific study of crimes, criminals, and victims. Moingon ganitag scientific meaning, it is widely accepted. It is a body of knowledge that is widely accepted not just in the Philippines, not just in the US, not just in Korea, but worldwide. Meaning, pinaagi sa research, pinaagi sa investigation, pinaagi sa constant nga kaning experimentation, naa sila'y na-establish nga idea, and that idea is widely accepted. It is not a theory. It is a happening that happens around us and everywhere. Okay? Next, it is a study of crime. So criminology is a study of crime. Criminals and victims. Now, we see the distinction. In the narrow sense, it only focuses on the crime, criminal, and the behavior of the criminal. But in the legal sense, it looks into the crimes, different types of crimes, different types of criminals, and the role of the victim in the commission of crime. Ngano sa tanang tao, kana man nga tao jud ang nabiktima ana nga krimen. Okay? And here, it also states that it encompasses, meaning gitanaw, gistadihan po di ay, kung unsaon pagpahunong, pagprevent sa krimen. Unsaon pagtanaw or dali makakita sa krimen. Ug unsa man ang pwede nato ma-propose nga possible solution para wala nay krimen. Ug hitanaw pod kung unsa man ang pwede nga pamaagi para ato ang matambalan, matreat ug ma-rehabilitate, mayong tag-rehabilitation, it is a process so that the offender will become an effective member of the society. So in the legal sense di ay, dili tulura kabutang ang ilahang gitanaw. Nagtanaw sila sa crimes, nagtanaw sila sa kriminal, nagtanaw sila sa victim. Pero ilaha pong gistadihan kung unsa ang mga pamaagi para mahunong ang krimen, unsaon man pag-detect sa krimen, unsa man ang possible nga solution para wala nay krimen, ug unsa ang mga pamaagi para kadtong mga nadakpan na or kaning mga offenders ato ang maayo ug mahimo sila nga productive nga member sa atuang komunidad. Okay? Now, let's move forward to the broad sense. Tag broad gipataas nga definition. And the broad sense is defined by Edwin H. Sutherland. Okay? Si Edwin H. Sutherland, he is the Dean of Criminology. And he is also the person who coined the term white collar crime, and he is also the author of the DAT, or the differential association theory. Okay, but we will talk about that later. According to him, criminology is the entire body of knowledge regarding crime as a social phenomenon. It includes within its scope the process of making of laws, breaking of laws, and the society's reaction towards the breaking of laws. Ato ang himay-himayon. Entire body of knowledge, meaning it is widely accepted. Unsa to kung gingon basta widely accepted it is a type of science regarding crime as a social phenomenon. Scientific nga knowledge nga gitan-aw ang kanidayng krimen usa ni kapanghitabo sa atuang society, sa atuang komunidad nga gabalik-balik. Mayong tag phenomenon, it is a happening or a situation that is repetitive. And it includes within its scope, naa daw sa scope ni criminology, ang paghimo sa balaod and ang paglabag sa balaod ug unsa ang reaksyon sa atoang society or sa atong komunidad sa kadtong mga tao nga nilabag sa balaod. Moingon ganita, making of laws, this talks about literally our law. And when we say breaking of laws, this talks about the crime. And when we say society's reaction towards the breaking of laws, unsa man atong gibuhat sa kadtong mga tawo nga magbuhat og krimen, syempre ato ang ipapriso. So naa diha ang penology. So kani silang tulo, kaning sociology of law, etiology of crime, and penology. We also call that the three division of criminology, which we will discuss later on. Okay? So, all in all, according to Edwin H. Sutherland, ang kanidiang criminology usa ni siya ka scientific nga idea nga ato ang gi-accept worldwide ug gitan-aw niya ang krimen as a panghitabo nga nagbalik-balik ug mahitabo siya maskin asa. And sulod sa scope ni criminology or kung asa kutob ang knowledge or idea nga makuhaan ni criminology is of course ang atuang balaod, because there is no crime if there is no law. Next is the breaking of laws, ang mga krimen nga gipangbuhat, and lastly unsa man ang gibuhat sa atong society para sa kadtong mga tawo nga ni commit og crime. And pakapin, kinsa mo na si Edwin H. Sutherland. As what I have said, he is the Dean of Modern Criminology. Gitawag siyang Dean of Modern Criminology tungod kay siya ang nag-introduce, siya ang pioneer sa criminology sa Amerika. And he is also the father of American criminology. And he coined the term or the word white collar crime. Yung tag white collar crime, usa ni siya ka krimen sa kanang upper world or sa business nga field. Mo ni siya ang klase sa krimen nga gipangbuhat sa mga tao nga mga dato. For example, embezzlement, meaning hatagan sila og trust sa usa ka kumpanya unya nangawat sila sa ilahang funds. And he is also the author of the differential association theory, also known as DAT. Sa differential association theory, diri nato may bawaan nga, tell me who your friends are and I'll tell you who you are. According to this theory, kung kinsa daw ang imuhang kauban sa imong kinabuhi, maupo daw na ang reflection sa imuhang character. Hopefully, we were able to define the word criminology, and hopefully you're able to understand this short discussion. I will see you all next time. Goodbye and thank you, future criminologists.